Hi everybody, this is Find Yourself Adventures, and today's adventure I am making a pasta with chanterelle mushrooms. These are mushrooms that grow wild and we found them yesterday. Beautiful mushrooms. I've already cut them up or tore them apart, whichever you want to call it, to make into this recipe, and I will saute them in some butter to start out with. And I've got my water back here for my pasta, and I'm gonna have a little bit of cream cheese. There's my pasta, some red pepper flakes, some Parmesan cheese. I'd like fresh, but this is what I've got on hand. And I've got some onions and garlic that will go into it, along with some basil and some onion chives and thyme. I've got some chicken stock here ready to go, and I have a yellow squash from the garden that's ready to go into the microwave to steam, and I also have a little bit of cucumber here. Got the pasta in my water, and there's a little bit of butter in there because it was on my tongs, and I am saving on dishes, so that's fine by me. And there's my mushrooms, and this is nice and hot, so I'm going to put those mushrooms in there. When it comes to wild mushrooms, never ever ever eat any kind of wild mushroom that you cannot positively identify and feel confident in that decision. So I've added my onions to the chanterelles, and we're going to brown them just a little more. Started to brown and the onions are getting sweet. I just added the garlic so it can roast. Don't let it burn. I added the cream cheese, the red pepper flakes, and the chicken stock. And I did it kind of quickly because I didn't want that garlic to burn on me. Once it gets fragrant, then I added that to the mushrooms, so that way we have this sauce we've got going on here. Get me some pasta. Put it over here. I'll add my herbs once I do that. Sorry, that's a little bit of cream cheese from where I laid my spoon down. And we'll show you the finished product whenever it's done. I have the herbs in here now. Salt and pepper, definitely some cracked black pepper, and I'll put a little Parmesan cheese on it instead of the salt. I'll do that instead, and I think it looks pretty good. And here is the chanterelle pasta. It's all done. A little sprinkling of Parmesan cheese on top. There's the cucumbers and the squash. And I think it looks like a pretty good healthy meal.